Once you start earning, it's like a new world. You can do anything. And as a student, you are basically doing freelance work. So you are learning how to get work, how to get the work done, you learn professionalism, you learn business development. It's like, you know, it's a world of a different. It's nothing like, just being an intern. Nothing like just being an employee, even for that matter. Like earning your money on your own as a student, it's fantastic. You learn professionalism. You learn to create value for other people. So I see so many interns, so many young law students. They're like, we are still kids. They can't take responsibility for outcome. They don't take responsibility that, I'm a professional now. I will have to create something really valuable and the other person will pay me money for that. That doesn't come to their mind. They're like, I'm an intern, teach me, show me, if I do something, pat me on the back. I mean, that's like a kid, it's not, you haven't really grown up, but you gotta grow up. And the faster you grow up, the better. Like you get more experience, you get more exposure, you make good of your opportunities that come to you, right? And you really learn to create value for other people, and that is a life-changing thing again. Like, if you know how to create value for other people, if you focus on that, truly your life is going to change. And you have to keep in mind that how do you make money? It's a simple thing. Okay, you can charge a part of the value that you generate for other people, right? This you remember, this you commit to your memory. This should be like, for a few days, you should be seeing this in your dreams. You can charge a part of the value you generate for other people, right? So if you are creating, 10x value in the world, so many people are benefiting from it. There is 10, like value worth, let's say you've generated value worth 1 lakh rupees for people. People are benefiting, and you put a number to the benefit. The benefit is 1 lakh rupees. You can charge 10,000 for that. Nobody will say no. If you are creating 1 lakh rupees worth of value and you charge 10,000, 20,000, people will not say no. They'll say, okay, this is great. Give it to me. And they'll happily pay you that 10, 20,000 rupees. And so you have to learn how to create value for other people in this world. If you can learn that, you can learn how to earn money, right? You can charge a part of the value you generate for other people. And there are two types, there are two pathways to this, right? You can work with businesses and you can work for individuals, right? B2B is business to business, B2C is business to customer. So you can be catering to another business, or you can be catering to a customer, but you start looking at yourself as a business. You don't have to say set up a company and set up a LLP. No, nothing like that, right? You don't have to have an office to be a business. Today you can do business from your home. Like right now I am running my business from home and I'm planning to travel, and I can run it from anywhere in the world because businesses are remote. Anyway, people used to work from an office, but these days everything is kind of remote. So you can actually have a business. Think about it, that if you're creating value for other people in the world, you are essentially in business, and you can either cater to businesses or you can cater to customers. Okay, and it can be related to law, or it doesn't have to be related to law. Some of the work I did that I earned money from was related to law, CLAT related training, CLAT coaching. Some of it was even legal risk management service that I had set up. Or, there was some plain, like, nothing related to law, just writing, ghost writing for books. I have translated books for authors and historians. I have ghost written books for test prep, which is not related to law. And it is anything. There's so many opportunities, right? So you can write articles and make money. And basically, it can be related to law or even non-law. That is not a limitation.